Everyone, and welcome to the November Paper Pumpkin, and that is the Jolly Gingerbread. So for all of you that got your kits, I just got mine, so I'm kind of a little bit behind. So with the kit, these are all of the gift card holders that you can make. All the supplies are in here to make 15 cards and envelopes. Now there are a few other ideas in the back, so you can see those. And again, here is a bigger portion. So basically, in your kit, you got your stamp set. Now remember that when you get the Paper Pumpkin kits, you cannot buy the stamp sets you get anywhere else. So that is a huge bargain right there. And you will always get Stampin' Spots. So we'll be adding to your color collection too. So you will get more colors. So what I did for the kit this month, and like I said, here are just some of the supplies that I'll kind of show you. I made some different cards. So on the kit, it will state on there Cinnamon Cider, Daffodil Delight, the Calypso Coral, Mint Macaroon, Shaded Spruce, Blushing Bride, and Whisper White. These are the colors that correspond with the colors that are in here as far as the little jewels and things like that. So what I did is I just took the Shaded Spruce, and I just added the dimensional on the back, added some of these little white buttons that we get in the kit. And so here's another one. Again, I just added the colors that it said and just added some different, did some stamping. I did stamp in black with this, but just added some different things. So, and then here's another one. Just took the stamp set and stamped on there, just added these along the side, just kind of simple. So it's just an easy way. Okay, so for this one, what I did is I took the envelope and I cut out the envelope. So that's what I put there. So kind of something different to do if you wanted to make a card and you don't need your envelopes. Here's a different thing. Okay, for this one, what I did is I took the inside of the envelope. So I just cut that apart and used that. And then just added like the little candies on the side. And for this one, I just stamped and use these little, I call them little candies, but use those. And I actually just colored this with the Stampin' Blends. So you can use any kind of markers or color pencils if you want. But like I said, I will post these cards on the site so that you can see them. But just some different ways if you want to, instead of making the cards and envelopes, the gift card holders, you could make some cards. So here's some different ideas. And like I said, you've got a lot of supplies. So you got a lot of supplies left over for what I made. And so you can do a lot of fun things. And when I used these, I just folded that in half and cut along there and cut there. So, yeah, so a lot of... So again, here were the cards that I made, and I will post them on the group. And so you can, if you want to make any of these cards, you can go with some of the supplies I have. Like I said, I used everything that I had, but I just used the cardstock that corresponded with the colors that were in this kit. Hope you enjoyed the cards, and we'll see you next month. Bye-bye.